Coding with AI. Cursor can write 500 lines of code in 2 seconds, but it can ruin your production architecture in 1 second. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Abhijit. We've all been there recently. You open up Cursor or Copilot, hit Command plus K, type a brief prompt, and boom. AI splits out a massive, beautifully indented block of code. It looks flawless. It compiles, you hit accept, and you feel like a 10x engineer. But fast forward 3 weeks, you try to add one simple feature and the whole system crashes. Your code base looks exactly like the chaotic tangled mess of electrical wires hanging over a busy street. See, in 2026, writing syntax is a solved problem. AI does it for pennies. But designing a scalable system, that is still your job. If you don't anchor your prompts in core software design principles, tools like Cursor won't save you. They will just help you build bad architecture at lightning speed. In this video, we are going to look at the 3 timeless design principles you must force your AI to follow so your repository stays pristine and production ready. Let's start with the ultimate golden rule, that is the KISS. Keep it simple. The bigger danger of modern LLMs is that they absolutely love to show off. If you ask Cursor to implement a simple user validation feature, it won't just write a clean function. It will confidently generate 3 abstract classes, a couple of generic interfaces, a builder pattern, and a factory pattern that you didn't even ask for. Because it looks sophisticated, our natural instinct is to think, wow, this is high quality code, and approve the pull request. But remember this rule of engineering: AI doesn't have to wake up for a production support call at 3 a.m. when the server crashes. It's you who will do that. Every single layer of unnecessary abstraction is a hiding place of production bugs. Don't let AI over engineer your application. If a straightforward if else statement or a basic utility function gets the job done cleanly, reject the AI's complex hallucinated patterns. Readability beats cleverness every single day. Our second principle is dry, don't repeat yourself. This is where the cursor tab or copilot autocomplete features becomes a silent trap. Because code generation is so fast, it's incredibly tempting to let the AI write the exact same validation logic or data parsing code in 3 different files just by hitting tab, tab, and tab. It feels hyper efficient because you are flying through tasks, but you are violating the single source of truth. Let's say you let the AI duplication your tax calculation logic across the order payment invoice services. What happens when the government changes the GST rules next month? You will prompt the AI to fix it in the order service. You might remember to fix it in the payment service, but you will forget the invoice service, and boom, a silent financial bug in production. When you see AI repeating logic, hit the brakes, stop the generation, extract the code, and create a single reusable component. Next up is a principle that hits close to home for a lot of us: YAGNI. You aren't gonna need it. As Indian developers, we have this natural paisa vasool mindset. We want maximum value and features packed into everything we build. So when we prompt an AI, we say something like, write a basic payment integration for Razorpay and also design the database schema to support crypto, multi-currency, and loyalty wallet points just in case we need it later. Stop doing this. You aren't gonna need it yet. Building for hypothetical future requirements create massive unearned baggage in your system. It slows down your current deployment and pollutes your database schema. Tell Cursor to build everything what the product specification demands today. Your goal as an engineer is to make the code cleaner and modular enough so that if the business pivots to multi-currency next year, your system can easily accept it without tearing up the foundation. To wrap it up, keep your code simple, don't let autocomplete repeat your logic, and don't build things you don't need yet. Master these 3 mindsets and you instantly elevate your engineering value in the AI driven market. The architectural discipline is exactly what prepares you for the absolute holy grail of object oriented system design. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. Drop a comment below with your worst Khichdi code or AI hallucination horror story. I am Abhijit and I'll see you in the next one.